Hello everyone, my name is Elaine Snowden and I'm going to be reviewing both the Curiosity app and the Wokabulary app. So the first app, the Curiosity app, I think it's a pretty neat app. You have different articles on it, and what it is it presents different articles every day for just kind of almost like fun factual information. So for example, they'll like have a day and you'll see on the front page of it, they'll be like, did you know that you are more able to predict other people's behaviors than you are your own? And so you might want to read that and see what that's like. And how this could relate to the classroom setting, however, is it has different categories of information. Like there's art, there's language arts, like there's like literature, and what I would be interested in would be the music category. And they'll just have different like tidbits about music, and I just think it'd be pretty cool to be able to start your classroom off with, hey, did you know this about this music idea? Or did you know that do re mi originated however many years ago by a monk who was just trying to make notation easier? So just kind of neat things like that to help make music a little more relatable. The second app, Wokabulary, is a vocabulary app. And the way it was different from the other vocabulary apps that I saw is that you have to put in your vocabulary apps that you want to learn about. For example, the other ones you would pick a category and then you would do however many words in that, and you're just learning vocabulary words, which can be helpful in different situations. But as a teacher, it can be nice to put in your own words. So originally, Wokabulary is intended to help you learn a foreign language, just like comparing the English vocab word with the same word in the foreign language. But since you can put it in yourself, you can put the word that you're wanting to do, and then also have the definition on the other side. And it's pretty neat because there are two different kind of quizzes that you can do just to kind of go over it. One of them I felt like was a little bit strange because the answer was kind of just on the same side as the question. So for example, I just kind of played around with it and I did the word piano, forte, crescendo, decrescendo. And so I'd put the word forte and then I'd say to play loudly. And then it'd have this little flashcard thing for the quiz, and on the same side it would say forte and to play loudly. And then you click the arrow and it asks you if you got the answer right or not, which I guess then it's just the honor system, and if you're learning it yourself, you want to do that. But the other quiz was kind of cool because it'll give you one of those and then you have to write out the answers. So you either have to write out the definition or the word that you put in. So that can be pretty cool, especially if I'm teaching theory in the music classroom. I could put in the word piano and see if my sixth graders can remember the difference between piano and mezzo piano, or piano and pianissimo. So those are my opinions. Both of the apps I think work pretty well. They're not something I would necessarily base an entire lesson on, but they're definitely cool ways to either with the Curiosity app to hook the lesson to engage students for the day and get ready to focus on what they're going to do next. And then the Wokabulary is just a good study tool, just like a visual aid as well as tactile. If the students are doing it themselves, they can practice words on their own. So thank you.